I'm going to show you how you can add a bank account on Ajio for a refund. First off, from the app here, you want to go to the account section on the bottom middle down there. Now, once you click on that, you can click on Ajio wallet down there as well, below game zone. After that, on your account there, you want to click on orders. Now, on orders, you can see there is a couple of orders that's going to come up. But for me, I'm going to choose on the pants here that I refunded. You can see there is a button to transfer to bank. You want to tap on that. After that, you can see you'll have to fill in your detail. This is a bank transfer. After all, you will have to put in your account number. You'll have to reconfirm it as well. And then you have to put in your IFSC code as well. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to show that on the screen right now as well. You can see this is what it is. And then you can also need to send in an OTP from Ajio themselves, and you will need to confirm it as well. But after all of that is done, you can tap on the submit button. And then that's it. It's successful. Your refund has been submitted and you just have to wait for it to come through. If you